naging bahagi ng bagong Consul General ng Vancouver, Gina Hamoralen, sa pag-uwi sa Pilipinas ng death row convict sa Indonesia na si Mary Jane Veloso. Ang dating ambassador ng Pilipinas sa Indonesia, sa unang pagkakataon, ibinahagi ang kanyang saloobin sa isa sa pinakamalaking balita sa Pilipinas bago magtapos ang taon 2024. Ang report mula kay Rhea Santos.
Well, actually, this is handmade batik from Yogyakarta. It has sentimental value because of my relationship with our foremost Filipino prisoner there, who is now happily back to the Philippines, Miss Mary Jane Veloso.
Isang buwan pa lang mula nang dumating sa Vancouver si Gina Hamoralen, ang bagong Consul General ng Konsulado ng Pilipinas sa Vancouver. Sa pahayag na inilabas ng Secretary for Foreign Affairs ng Pilipinas, Enrique Manalo kamakailan, pinasalamatan nito si Hamoralen, dating ambassador ng Pilipinas sa Indonesia at ang kanyang team sa trabaho nito sa pagpaplano ng repatriation o pagbabalik sa Pilipinas ng death row convict na si Mary Jane Veloso.
I had nightmares to think of the unthinkable actually, and I don't want it to happen. So, I mean, if you're an ambassador and there is someone and, because, yeah, it's a life. You're talking about a human life. So, it really makes you think, paano kaya ako makakatulong? Yeah. That is my main mission.
Plano niya sanang ihatid si Veloso sa pagbabalik Pilipinas nito, pero kinailangan niya ng lumipad ng Vancouver para sa kanyang bagong assignment.
You were very instrumental sa kanya pong pagkakauwi sa Pilipinas, but you don't talk about it. And you haven't talked about it. Why is that?
Well, the negotiation, I mean, it's very sensitive, and I don't want to, because I think I allowed my government, especially President Marcos, and Department of Justice and Department of Foreign Affairs to do they made their press releases, and I think that's enough for me. And also at the time, still, we're still waiting for her really final schedule of return. I really cried, to be honest. When I saw finally, because that was my main for her to return to the Philippines. At least she will be safe.
Sa 2 taong serbisyo niya bilang ambassador ng Pilipinas sa Indonesia, tinutukan ni Hamoralen ang kaso ni Veloso na higit 1 dekada nang nakakulong sa bansa.
Mereka mengusahakan supaya saya bisa pulang.
There were times na I really have to console her, na malungkot talaga siya. I'm sure God did not allow you to stay this long, 15 years, for nothing. So I was trying to console her, to have faith. And that's why I gave her even a Bible, Tagalog Bible, kasi nakakalimutan na niya mag-Tagalog. So sabi ko, yan, Tagalog Bible para in preparation for your homecoming. I even told her.
Mula 2014 hanggang 2020, nagsilbi bilang Consul General ng Honolulu at Chicago si Hamoralen. Sa kanyang pag-upo bilang Consul General ng Vancouver, itutuloy niya raw ang trabaho sa ikauunlad ng mga Pilipino sa kanyang kinasasakupan.
One issue stood out, which is the recognition of credentials, especially for Filipino health workers, particularly nurses. So I think that's a work in progress.
Excited din daw siyang makita ang katuparan ng pinaplanong Filipino Cultural Center. Ang mensahe niya sa mga Pilipino sa pagtatapos ng taong 2024,
don't forget your roots and help other Filipinos also if you can.
Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.